Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's time for the light real quick. What's up, Ralph? Of course, one of those things. Play us out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski that. The lightning round quiz. Let's start with Jeff in Arizona. Jeff.
Booyah! Cramer.
Yo.
Long-time fan, my man.
What's happening?
Hey, last week you had a great segment on 10 high-yield dividend stocks. Wanted to get your thoughts on Lumen Technologies.
Okay, Lumen Technologies reported it about 10 minutes ago. So I do not have what's going on in the conference call. So therefore, I have to defer and can't opine on it. I'm sorry. I wish I could, but it's too fresh. George in Missouri. George.
Jim, I am a member of the club, and I wanted to say something about that. It's a great show. You and Catherine Ross make a terrific team. To the business at hand, I took a position in a stock that was featured about a year ago, and it has been a dog. And now it's down 42% from where I bought it. And I wanted to know, if it was your stock, what would you do with it? It's Fastly.
All right, we left Fastly, felt that there were too many issues involving who the customers are and who not, and business they lost. Tonight they lost their CFO, and they did not have a good quarter. So I can't recommend it. I think there'll be even more downgrades tomorrow. I'm sorry that I wish I had better news. I just don't. Let's go to David in Florida. David.
Hey, Cramer. I wanted to get your opinion on Wells Fargo. I picked up some shares last week when Chairman Powell...
Buy more. Buy more. Buy more Wells. Charlie Scharf is the real guy. He's got his team in there. Everybody wants to want all these other banks. That's the cheapest bank. It's going to be the best bank. I have faith in Scharf. He may even deign to come on the show one day. I doubt it, but I don't mind pointing it out because I actually know him. Let's go to Jim in Virginia. Jim.
Hey, hi, Jim.
What's up?
This is Jim from Fredericksburg, Virginia, giving you a big booyah.
I'll take that booyah. I'll take it. I need it.
Cinco de Mayo and best wishes on your reopening your bar in beautiful Brooklyn, New York.
You bet, man. It's a Corona Fest. Also, the Modelo. I got the Modelo Special. It's very hard to get. I got it. All right, what's up?
Sounds good.
Thank you.
I'm a long time, first time, Jim. Thanks for all the work that you and your Mad Money staff do. And CNBC Daytime is the only one to watch for stock info, but you still have to do your own research.
Let's throw in the judge there, too. It's on that show. It's a lot of fun. What's up?
Oh, God, I love it. Anyway, I took a small position in what I thought was a good life science company out of Cincinnati, Jim. I guess the street wasn't happy with the earnings, the revenue. I'm sorry, the revenue and the 21 guidance. What do you think? Hold, buy more, get another company? Help me on MedPace, will you, Jim?
I think it's good. I mean, I think it's I think you're right. It's a life science. It's got oncology. It's the kind of company that, it's a good spec. It's actually a little better than a spec. I think you're going to be fine. This is a strange time in the market, and they're selling a lot of stocks that are very good. How about we go to Byron in Maryland? Byron.
My stock closed at 84.51 today. It's at a 20-year high, almost close to the all-time high, with $5.6 trillion in assets under management, record revenue of $16.72 billion with 30% margins. My stock is Morgan Stanley.
I think Morgan Stanley is terrific. I regret that my charitable trust does not own the stock. James Gorman's done a remarkable job. Look, I owned Wells and Goldman and J.P. Morgan. It's like, how many of these can you own? But my mistake was not owning Morgan Stanley because that had the best business model and because Gorman really has it together. He's a real good guy and his acquisitions have been good. He never got in trouble with the regulators. Why? Because he moved out of that crazy business as it is. He's a real smart guy and a good guy. Let's go to Charlie in New York. Charlie.
Booyah, Jim. Thanks for all the help you give us little guys.
We're all little, my friend. Let's go to work, but we're all little.
Tell me about Triton International.
That's the infrastructure. I mean, they have all the containers. I mean, why is that stock not up a lot? I got to look into that. I'm going to go to I think I may go to Ben Stoto, our research director, and find out. We got to find out what the heck. We got to drill down because that company's stock should be much, much higher. There must be some issue I don't know. I want to go to Bonnie in Florida. Bonnie.
Hello, Mr. Cramer.
Hi.
Born born and raised in New Jersey. I'm living the good life in Florida now and loving your show.
You got the edge on me.
Much.
What's up?
I've been holding a position in Sorrent.
Okay, Sorrent is just, I mean, I'll do more work on it, but the reason I haven't done more work on it is it just doesn't seem to have any mojo. I know that's a technical term, but it just doesn't have anything I'm really interested in. But I will check it out for you. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.